Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Revolut Mass Payouts. This tutorial will walk you through the process of sending multiple payments at once using Revolut. To get started, you need to have a Revolut business account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free on the Revolut website. First, log into your Revolut business account and navigate to the Payments tab. From there, click on Mass Payouts. You will be asked to upload a CSV file containing the payment details. This file should include the beneficiary's name, currency, and amount. You can download a sample CSV file from the Revolut website to ensure your file is formatted correctly. Once you have uploaded your CSV file, review the payment details to ensure everything is accurate. You can also add a payment reference and a description to help you keep track of the payments. After reviewing the details, confirm the payment and Revolut will take care of the rest. Revolut supports mass payouts in over 100 currencies, making it a great solution for businesses that need to make international payments. The fees for mass payouts are also competitive, with a small fee per transaction. To ensure your mass payouts are successful, make sure your account is funded, the beneficiary's details are accurate, and the CSV file is formatted correctly. You can also use the Revolut API to automate your mass payouts. This is a great option for businesses that need to make large numbers of payments on a regular basis. In conclusion, Revolut Mass Payouts is a quick and easy way to send multiple payments at once. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure your mass payouts are successful and efficient. If you have any questions or need further assistance, you can contact the Revolut support team.